It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, welcome back. I am here. It's Saturday to give y'all update what's going on. As you can see, this is my sage plant. I'm about to repot it, put some fresh soil on it, and see where we go from there. So I'm going to be gently shaking off some of this old soil and put some fresh soil in the pot. Yeah, the pot needs cleaning up. I'm gonna try and wipe that out for a second. Hold on, let me get something done here. Okay, quite a bit of dirt has shaken off of the plant. Look at all that dirt. And here's the plant, all its roots and stuff. Got new plants growing in here too. So I'm gonna put some fresh soil in the pot. Yep, let me do a little cleaning. Hold up. Okay guys, this is one plant repotted down, 99 more to go. So this is my sage, been hanging in there. So something was eating on it too. Sucker bugs get on my nerve. But refreshed the soil, cleaned it up, and we'll see what happens. First plant of the year to be repotted. Many more to go. Hopefully I get it done more sooner than later. It's a lot to be done. I have to move everything and sweep, dust everything off. Yeah, it's quite messy on the balcony right now, but I just wanted to share what I'm doing. Start of the new year, repotting these plants, okay? And I'm the only one that's participating in this collaboration until the other participants decide to come back due to weather and other. But y'all don't forget, if you check out the playlist, you can see their old videos. Support them, subscribe, and thank you very much. Have a great gardening day. Bye. I'll see you on the next one.